Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
It's me, AJ.
And I'm Salma, and we're here to take you through 8 ways to make your home look more organized and stylish.
And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell below to be notified on our upcoming videos. Step number 1 is choose good lighting fixture. An easy and cost-friendly way or trick to make your space look more expensive is by incorporating lighting pieces that are interesting and expressive. So in dining and living area, we decided to put smart light bulbs. It's internet-capable LED light bulbs that allows lighting to be customized. All you need is a home Wi-Fi connection, a B22 bulb holder, and a mobile phone. Install Smart Home App on your smartphone and then follow the simple steps provided to link your phone to the bulb. And voila, you have the lights on your hands. You can also change colors, adjust the brightness, and the good thing about this is you can get it at a very affordable price. So, in kitchen island, you can put pendant lightings. It makes the area feel cozier and welcoming by incorporating minimal and dramatic effect. But remember not to hang them too low or they could cause a glare in people's eyes while they are eating. To manipulate the ambience of your home, you can add wall lightings. It makes the area feel brighter and larger while creating a pleasing atmosphere. They are a great way to literally make a home feel like home.
Step number 2, minimize on the furniture. One of the ways of making your home look more opulent is by using less furniture. Keep your furniture minimal with items you only need and use more often. Also, ensure that you have neutral colored items, which is a huge plus as it will make it easier to even color match them with any accessories you have.
Step number 3 is adding mirror. Mirrors and lightings always go hand in hand. Placing a mirror paired with perfect lighting can create illusion that your space is far larger than it actually is. If simplicity is your aesthetic, a singular large statement mirror can create a polished and elegant finish on the wall.
Step number 4, adding rugs. This can make a room feel more cozy and inviting, especially for homes that have tiles. Rugs are budget friendly and they are easily available. However, make sure that you get the correct sized rugs because if you get very small rugs, you'll actually end up making the room look more cluttered, unproportional, and inexpensive. Step number 5, use neutral paint. The type of paint used greatly impacts the whole mood portrayed in a room. Using fresh neutrals like whites and grays not only makes the room look stylish, but also makes it appear bigger and easier for one to furnish and accessorize it. Another way can be like painting the outdated areas in your room, like painting the doors in neutral colors or even your ceiling to make a great statement.
Step number 6 is adding accessories. You can put few cushions in your sitting area. This creates a comfortable and stylish tone in your home. Try choosing a few fashionable pillows with fun designs. If you have shelvings at home, you can put frames with DIY paintings, some cute vases, DIY decorations, and some candles to add an elegant look to your shelvings. If you went for shopping before, it's a good thing to keep your empty boxes as you can use it to style your shelves. Just get some of your empty boxes and place it on the shelves to give it a luxurious look. And lastly, you can put some simple DIY artworks to make your place more fresh and elegant. You don't need to compromise your budget in order to fill your home with nice decors. You can just make some simple decorations or you can shop for affordable home decors online just to achieve the look you're looking for.
Step number 7, upgrade on hardware. Since renovating a kitchen may be so time and budget consuming, one may only upgrade a few small areas of that kitchen. One may change the finish or the handles of the kitchen cabinet doors. These details may seem small, but they really make a huge difference in the whole room.
Step number 8 is add flowers and plants. Another simple trick to make your home look more stylish is by adding some fresh flowers and indoor plants, as it can boost the overall interior design. Flowers can help remove harmful toxins from the air and can improve a night's rest as they give large amount of oxygen. It's not only that they look fresh, they actually freshen the air as well. We hope you enjoyed and learned a lot from this video.
And if you did, please like, share, and comment about what you think about this video and what you'd like us to talk about during our next video. Bye!